May kakaibang kapangyarihan kapag nagkakaisa ang mga taong iba't iba ang pinagmulan, kultura, pananampalataya. Naranasan nyo na ba ito ng dahil sa iisang layunin? Halimbawa, ang pag-aalaga sa kalikasan? Para sa mabuhang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandesal. In today's world, where diverse opinions and experiences abound, building unity among us is more important than ever. It's essential to foster inclusivity and understanding within our communities. So, this Lent, let's share our personal stories of overcoming differences and supporting one another in faith and life. Experiencing God's love and presence can deepen our connections, and nurturing that relationship through prayer, fasting, works of charity, or community involvement can transform our lives. Remember, when we demonstrate love and support among believers, we become powerful witnesses to others. So, how can you actively show love in your friendships and communities? Let's come together to create a culture of unity and belonging. Your actions can inspire those who are exploring faith and seeking connections. Manalangin po tayo. O Panginoon, palakasin mo sa amin ang hangaring magkaroon ng pagbabago sa aming buhay. Maging salamin ng iyong pag-ibig ang aming pamumuhay upang lahat ng tao sa kabila ng pagkakaiba mananaig pa rin ang respeto sa bawat isa. Amen.